Hello, driving intelligence community. Well, I'm in one of my favorite places, surprisingly. It's the reclaimed cars or trucks yard, and one of the vehicles I want to attack today is this Lincoln Navigator. I want to grab the steering wheel because some people are using these to modify a 10th Gen F150. It's got the wood grain, it's really nice. And so I'm going to show you how to get this thing off, but somebody's already done some work for me pulling the airbag. There's just two bolts on the back here. You can see where they come through right here. You just got to pop off some little covers, take those off, take the bolts off, and then this thing just snaps in with a couple of electrical connectors.
The first thing to do always is to disconnect the battery. I've had the negative off this battery while I was doing something else for a couple hours. Best to disconnect the battery and leave it disconnected for 30 minutes to discharge any of the energy that's in these airbags. Once you remove your airbag, put it under the vehicle. In case it goes off, you want to make sure that it doesn't cause any damage or injury. That thing is highly explosive, as we all know.
After disconnecting this white connector, the rest of these can pull through the wheel as you pull it out, but we're going to put a T50 star driver on here, loosen this up several turns, and then move on to the next step. I have a two-prong puller pushed against that star bolt, and on each side I've got my hook where Ford or Lincoln actually made places for you to pull this wheel off. So I'm just going to tighten this off. It's going to come off with a pop. And that's the pop. Didn't break. Now I remove this star bolt by hand, and then the whole wheel just pulls right off.
Now that you know how to get this far, various options are open to you, like replacement of the clock spring, steering wheel, or cruise control buttons. You can even paint your airbag as I did for a new look in your vehicle. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me that thumbs up, and I'll see you next time on Driving Intelligence.